Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno4 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll to the fingerprint, face and password. Let's tap here and in a biometrics we've got add fingerprint, so let's tap here. Now we've got the warning that if you will forget your lock screen password, you will be unable to unlock your phone. So let's tap on the continue. Now we have to set an additional lock screen, so we can set the password like here, or we can use different password type. Let's tap here and we can choose the pattern 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters, or we can get back and use the password. Let me pick pattern for example, and let's draw the pattern you want to use. Let's draw it again. And here we've got the fingerprint sensor. Now we have to tap on it with our finger. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. And try to catch every corner for better recognition. Now let's tap on the continue and enroll your fingerprint, at least try. Okay, tap on continue. Let me get back, and as you can see here we are in a fingerprint settings. This is our fingerprint we just added. We can remove it by tapping on the stretch bin icon. We can tap on it and rename it if you want. What's more, we can add new one. Now we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Let's tap here. We can use it for the screen lock, app lock or private save. If you want to use it for app lock, for example, just tap on the switcher and turn it on. What's more, here we can choose the animation style. Here we've got some options to choose from, so pick the one you like the most. Let me leave it like this. And here we've got the screen of unlock, so we can decide if you want to show the fingerprint icon on the lock screen. So this is the whole customization. Now let's lock our device to check if it is working. Let's lock it. And as you can see here we've got our sensor, so let's put our finger on it. And as you can see the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint. So that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your OPPO Reno4 Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.